Hi, I'm Thea. I'm the music captain of Thomas Carr College, and I play the flute. The flute comes in a little bag, and it also has a little case. And it comes in 3 parts. Here is the head joint. This is the middle joint. And the last part is the foot joint. So how we put it together is that we line up the middle joint and the head joint together where the embouchure hole is and to the little logo in the center. There's also little arrows to guide you as well. And then there are little arrows at the foot joint and over here. And ta-da! That's our flute. So we put our fingers on the first key, the third key, and the fourth key on our left hand. And then we put our little pinky on this little key, and then 3 here, and we just rest it at the bottom there. And our left hand thumb is over here. How we play is, you see this little hole, we put the edge of our lips towards the hole, and then we can say a who, or you can say a to make sound. I started playing flute when we had to do it in year 7 as part of our instrument program, the music program, where we get to choose an instrument from the concert band. So there's the flute, there's a clarinet, there's a saxophone, the trumpet, trombone, and of course the range of percussion instruments. And I just choose the flute because I always loved its sound and how delicate and like bird-like that it sounds.